In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Calendly paid subscription. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Calendly account. Please make sure you've got your login details handy to make this process as smooth as possible. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, a familiar place if you've been using Calendly for your scheduling needs. From this dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the Admin Center option. Go ahead and give that a click. This is going to take you to a section where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're inside the Admin Center, your next step is to find and click on the Billing option. This is where you manage your subscription details. In this instance, because the account we're using is purely for demonstration purposes, it's not currently on a paid plan. However, if you're someone who's subscribed to a paid plan, you'll see an option that reads Switch to Free Plan. This is the button you'll want to click in order to initiate the cancellation of your paid subscription. Once you click Switch to Free Plan, a prompt will likely appear on the screen asking you to verify your decision to cancel the paid subscription. This is essentially the platform's way of double-checking that you truly intend to make this change. In addition to verification, you might also encounter a quick survey. Calendly is probably just looking for some feedback on your experience with the service, and while it's optional, participating could be helpful for them to understand more about their users' needs. An important point to be aware of as you undertake this process is that there won't be any refunds for the remaining days of your current subscription. Instead, what happens is that you'll continue to have access to all the features and benefits of your paid plan right up until the end of your subscription period. Once your subscription formally ends, your account will automatically revert to the free plan without any further action needed on your part. And that's the process. You've successfully understood how to cancel your paid Calendly subscription. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please don't forget to like the video. For more content like this, consider subscribing to our channel. We always appreciate your support and feedback, so feel free to leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to share or ask. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide made the cancellation process clear and straightforward for you.